Hello, sweetie. Welcome back to this channel. Today I'm showing you how to make tomato egg sauce and plantain. Today I was craving for some plantain, fried plantain, so I decided to make this tomato sauce beside it. So I decided to show you guys how to make this delicious and simple sauce recipe. It is really delicious. All you need is fresh tomatoes, pepper, onion, garlic and ginger, and you need one Maggi cube to add it to it, and you add salt to it. And make sure, remember I have washed my tomatoes and all my vegetables very well before cutting them, and I removed the seed from the tomatoes. Yes, you have to remove the seed. Add water, and then I will blend and set it aside. Start with my plantain. I will cut my plantain, and this is my oil that I'm pulling it in the saucepan. The saucepan is hot already, so I will let the oil heat for a while, then I will add my plantain in it. I am sure all of us know how to fry plantain, but if you don't know how to fry plantain, just look at the steps how I'm frying mine. Just do it the same way. If today is your first time on this channel, thank you for tuning in today. Please don't leave without subscribing to this channel, because this is a channel you don't want to miss. We share amazing recipes and tips and how to live a healthy life. One side is finished frying, so I'm going to turn the other side for the other side to fry too. To my new subscribers, welcome to this family. We really appreciate you. And to my return viewers, I want to say a big thank you to you all. God richly bless you for coming back every single time. Our fried plantain is all done. So just remove it from the oil. Then we set out our saucepan on the fire and we added a fresh oil. I transferred my blended sauce into the saucepan and the oil. Then we are going to stir it up. Leave it for it to steam. I will stir it one more time. After I'm done stirring it, I will use my saucepan cover to cover halfway, not the full pan, but halfway, as I have done it, to avoid the sauce from coming out of it. So I don't want to spread all the sauce around my place. So then, after 2 minutes, you stir it one more time. You have to be continually stirring it because we don't want to burn our sauce, please. So you cover a little, you take off the cover and you stir it. I fried this sauce about 7 minutes before it is time for the egg to go inside. So in this recipe I was using 5 eggs, but you can use more if you have it and if you want it, but I was using 5 eggs to do this. I'll add my 5 eggs to the sauce, just like this. I'll add it to the sauce and I'll bring my wooden spoon and I will spread the egg around the sauce so that every part of it can have an egg. Everything how I'm just doing it. Then you just leave it. You cover half of it, and you leave it for it to cook about 2 minutes. Then you stir it because you don't want to burn it. Just look at this. This recipe is simple, but my darling, when my husband tried this recipe, he just loved it. He keep on talking about it because it's really simple and delicious. This is our tomato egg sauce, my darling. Just don't look at it simple like this, because it's really, really delicious. If you try this, I'm sure you'll be doing this most of the time. Please, if you have watched so far and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and share this with your loved ones. Click on notification bell to be notified anytime I drop a new video. I'm adding my onga stew to it. You can add any season of your choice to it. I just add a little bit of onga stew to it to give it that touch, that taste, You know what I'm talking about now. Just try this. You have to try it too. Try it and please comment down below and tell me how it went. And please comment down below and let me know where you are watching me from. My guys, please look at it too. Delicious. Sumptuous. Our tomato and egg sauce is ready, and we added with our fried plantain. Just look at that. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.